Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today we will learn and discuss about job searching websites. So if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. There are a lot of people, they are watching my videos but they are not subscribing my channel. It's very easy to subscribe. Anyhow, viewers, kindly note there are many fake job searching websites which demand you money for registration. To avoid such websites, always search job by authentic websites. So whatever I know as per my professional experience, I will share with you. And these are the website where you can get the reply from the employer. So first you have to, we will check the first website, which is called Indeed. You have to register yourself first in Indeed, entering by your email and password. So I already registered and I enter my email and password. It's very easy. You can also do the same. And guys, here you see there are three arrows. There are a lot of information you can read: employers, your profile, your job, your reviews, everything is here. So if you want to change your profile, you can go over here. You can make your profile when you are new. You can add your profile. It will show you everything. Remove your CV, download resume. You can put your profile as public or private. So if you do the public, your resume and profile information can be found through Indeed by employer looking for candidates. So normally you all people, they are putting on the public. So guys, if you want to find the job, you have to go to the search and write the your position under which you want to search the job, HR assistant or HR. The system will show you, and where in UE, and click on the find job. The system will show you the recent job 5 days ago, HR assistant. There are a lot of jobs you can search here, and if you want to apply the job, you have to click over there at the top. You can read the all description of the job by the employer posted. You can read very easily. If you want to save the job, you can copy the link. If you want to apply, you will click over here. Kindly note that sometime it is going to the third party another websites. So you have to apply as per their websites. There are some company websites, and there are some school websites. This is Career Gems Education. This is the school. So in that case you have to apply over there. This is the authentic also. So this is for the Indeed. You can go to the home, and if the employer will contact you, they will send you the message, and over there you can click here. If you have any message from the employer, you will find over here. So it's very easy. You want to change your profile, you can change your profile setting, everything, your account setting. So hopefully Indeed is informative for you, and we will move to one another. So the guys, the second authentic website is dubizel.com. I will paste the link in description box. So you have to log in there, and if you want to search, you have to go to the jobs. I want jobs and I am hiring. This is for the employer. So we will click on I want job. So when you click over here, there are a lot of categories: engineering, fashion, graphics, hospitality. You can click any. So you will see here there are a lot of jobs, and similarly you have to register the Dubizel by your email and password. This is very easy. I'm not going to register. I already registered. Just for the learning purpose I am showing you. So if you want to post the ad, you can click over here. First post the ad for the job. So I want job. So when you click over here, I want job, the similar way it will show you a list. So here guys, you see there are some details you have to enter. This is the covering letter, CV summary, your telephone number, and you can write the title. And here you can upload your CV have in your hard drive. You can click here your gender, your nationality, and your current location and current company. You can write your profile and current position, and notice period also you have to mention here. If you are searching the job, visa status, employment, mid-level, you can select here. If you want to change any senior, junior, whatever, you can click all other details here. If you are on the tourist visa or visit visa, and you can also search the position expectation, you can click over here. You can write your work experience and your qualification and everything. You can select from here, full time or part time. It's very easy, and click on the next. When you submitted, your ad was submitted and under review. Do not worry, this will take 1 to 5 minutes. And here you can go to my ads. You can post your ads that you need a job, the employer can contact you. So this will be the scenario of your job search, your account scenario. This is for the learning purpose. And if you want to change your profile, you have to click on my profile. You can change your profile, everything. So like that you can change your profile. It will show you your summary, everything. You can click and update. So similarly, my searches, if you searches the jobs, so if you want to apply, you have to click on the jobs. You can search from here also. And once your profile is ready, you can apply directly. When you are login, you have to click here, and if you want to apply, you have to click over here, apply. So guys, the system also will show you the for the job 228 other have applied for this job. And if you want that your CV will come at the top, then you have to pay to the Dubizel, and your CV will come over the top. And you can see by your searches, your ad searches also. So guys, once your CV is on live, you can click over here, get more views, and they have their payment option over here. Feature your ad for 30 days, 79 dirham. Feature for your ad 7 days, 39 dirhams. So this is the payment system, because this is authentic website. There are people they are paying them, and there are some people they are not paying them. So anyhow, this is for the learning purpose. Hopefully this is the informative for you, and you can do by yourself. And we will, here's the third one is the naukrigulf.com. You have to go to the website, or you can download their apps also. Whatever I am teaching you, there are apps also, but I am preferring some apps and some websites because it's easy for me. So similarly, you have to click on the register. You have to register yourself either by the Facebook or by the email. The similar way I already registered, so I will log in. So guys, when you log in, it will show you your profile and everything, your messages over here. So you have to add your profile, edit profile by yourself, and if you want to update, you can update your profile. And if you want to search the job, you have to enter your key skills designation. You have to write over here your skills and the location, Dubai, UAE. If you write UAE, it will show you all. experience, no need, just click over the search and you will find here lot of results. And if you want to apply, you just click over the top and easy apply, click over there and you are ready, because your profile is with Naukri Gulf. So this is the third one. Hopefully this is the informative for you. So the fourth one is the gulftalent.com. The similar way you can register yourself and you can download the app. So making the short my video, I am just teaching you that how you can do. The similar way, you will click here, you will search the jobs. So you have to click over here, job search. The system will give you your faculty and where you would like it show you all over, because this is a very big website and job searching tool. You will find here HR assistant and the system similar will show you, and you can click over there and apply. And for this one you have to do your profile inside. You have to arrange your CV, my Gulf Talent CV. Click over there and it will show you about your CV. This one you have to do by yourself. Wow. So once you enter your data, you are ready, you uploaded your CV, then you can apply. So the similar way, there is one more, byte.com, and as you know, you have to register normally the same way, and you can see your CVs, my CV, my application, find jobs. You can find jobs by here. There are a lot of jobs here. You can search one by one, because otherwise my video will be very long. This is for the learning purpose. So you have to build your CV online by the byte.com also, and it will show you improve your CV, the percentage also, and you can upgrade your account. You can see all your information and your experience and this thing, everything you have to enter, and it's very easy. You can use their app also. So the guys, there is one more website which is called monster.com. This is actually Indian website, but this is also authentic website. You can search the job by this website. So similar way, you have to register and you have to continue. So you have to click over there and find jobs. Click on the find job. So guys, there is one more website which is called hostcode.com. You can install the Hostco app also. There are a lot of jobs, hospitality jobs and internship. You can search one by one. The similar way, you have to create your profile and save, and there are authentic jobs and it is very easy. The similar way, you can receive the messages, and if you want to search the job, you have to enter the job title, the country and the department, and there are also the companies. You can search the companies as well. So guys, once you create your profile, it will show your photo and picture and everything. If you want to change your profile, is public profile, and if you want to search the job, you can click over here, the job tab, and you will see here and here you can write your job title, the country and department also. You can click here and you can search. So there are a lot of jobs, event jobs, chef jobs. This is also authentic website. You can see that a lot of jobs for the high level jobs here, and you can search by yourself. So it's very easy. If you want to search, we will move to the next one. So guys, this is the lemon.com jobs. You can also create the profile here. First you have to register and you have to create your profile. You have to enter all your data, your qualification. You have to upload your photo and everything. your professional experience, and then you can search the job over here. You can write the job title, location, and find the jobs. It will show you the result here. You have to click your category, view jobs, and there are a lot of job posted here by the location Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and accordingly if you want to apply the similar, you have to click over there at the title and it will take you can apply. So when you open the your profile, it will show you your jobs and your profile here. You can edit your profile, and there is notification for the my jobs. You can click here, applied jobs, everything it will you can change your profile anytime, and your profile is public and actively looking job. You have to do it yes and yes. So we will move forward the next one. So viewers, this website is called go to gulf.com. You can create your profile and search the jobs, enter your keyword, and you can search what are the requirements um, by the company, and you can click on the advertisement link and go through all job description posted by the employer, what actually they need services from the candidates, so new users and the registered users. So first you have to register and create your profile, and it's similar by the other websites, and similar way you can search the job. You can click here, there are jobs and registered and login. Click over here, latest jobs, search jobs, any option you can do. And if you want to search, you can search by the keywords. This is the job: printing, packing, foreman, mechanical supervisor. There are a lot of other GCC countries also. So if you select the location of UAE, it will show you all the. This is the login of the job seeker. You have to enter your username and password once you registered, and click login. So when you log in, it will show you here. You can upload your photo, your dashboard, your my profile, my jobs, privacy setting, and everything you can do from here. And this is also authentic website. You can apply by this website. You can also do the membership. If you want to upgrade, you can click over the upgrade premium. You can do premium also. This is also authentic. So guys, we will move forward. There is one more website, job4u.ae, and similar way you have to create your profile. You have to upload your picture and everything, your CV. You can see here, this is also paid website. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. They have the system, but this is also authentic. Otherwise you can go by free. So here all jobs are here. You will also get the notification by the website, and you can search by the your category, and there are a lot of options for you applied. You can click one by one, and it will show here as per your profile whatever the experience you enter in the system. And it's also very easy, and there are job offers also. You can click, the employer can contact you by this job offers. So we will move to the next. So viewers, the best and most authentic job search website or app you can say is LinkedIn. By LinkedIn, you have to register and create your network. This is the main important thing, and you have to follow the employer and companies. So once you create your profile, you have to enter all your data, your CV, your qualification, and you have to build a network. You have to follow the people over here and you can search the jobs. Like if there is an option for the jobs, you will see here recommended for you. So this recommendation is as per your profile and as per your position you entered here, and from here you can apply your jobs. And this is the authentic job website. So you have to follow your like company people also the similar way. So that was the authentic also. If the job seeker or the companies they are searching you, mostly the company if they are searching you, so this is also the plus point that if you have a good network. So similar, if you have the job here, you can click, you can easy apply and you can save. So if your CV is already in your system, just you have to click over the easy apply and your data and your CV will go to the employer, and they may call you or they can send you the private message also. There is option for the private message. So this is the authentic job seeker websites, and you will get the notification also by you are following and your follower also. And if you want to post anything, you can post. And this is your network, the people you followed and the people who are contacting you. So in that case you have to click over the yes. If you don't want to follow, you can click cross mark, they will send you the message. So this is the way to build the network, and this is your home. This video is just for to teach you that which are the authentic website and how you can search the jobs and how you can contact to the employers. So I think LinkedIn is the most best, but other website also good for you if you want to apply. The mostly employer which is the small companies, they are submitting their advertisement by Indeed, Dubizal also, Naukri Gulf and other also websites. It depend on you, but if you create your profile on all websites, the employer may contact you if they are searching the job seekers as per their faculty. So guys, hopefully this video is informative for you. I request to subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Thank you for watching.